Hello kids, today we will learn A to Z and color name. White color, sky blue color, light green color, pink color, yellow color, brown color, black color, purple color, peach pink color, dark green color, blue color, orange color, gray color, yellow color, A, A for alligator, A for alligator, red color, B, B for ball, B for ball, light green color, C, C for cat, C for cat, peach pink color, D, D for dog, D for dog, dark green color, E, E for elephant, E for elephant, blue color, F, F for fish, F for fish, yellow color, G, Z for grabs, Z for grabs, red color, H, H for hand, H for hand, light green color, I, I for eyes, I for eyes, peach pink color, J, J for joker, J for joker, dark green color, K, K for kangaroo, K for kangaroo, blue color, L, L for leaf, L for leaf, yellow color, M, M for mango, M for mango, Yellow color in. N for nest. N for nest. Red color O. O for orange. O for orange. Light green color P. P for penguin. P for penguin. Peace pink color Q. U for green. U for green. Dark green color R. R for rose. R for rose. Blue color S. S for sun. S for sun. Yellow color T. T for tree. T for tree. Red color U. U for unicorn. U for unicorn. Light green color V. V for fan. V for fan. Peace pink color W. W for watch. W for watch. Dark green color X. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Blue color Y. Y for yo-yo. Y for yo-yo. Yellow color Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.